to support and enjoy this special time together. So to begin, I invite you to slow down and listen. Elmer Strasser brings us a beautiful piece from the Philippines. Elmer, a mixed-race Filipino-American, immigrated to the United States in 1974 and has been part of the church community since 1981. His father, Raymond, knew Earl Palmer from when he preached in Manila and urged Elmer to attend First Pres. Elmer is a longtime resident of Alameda, where he and his wife raised their son, Matthew. He's a retiree of the Lawrence Livermore Lab, and his favorite pastime is participating in local community theater. So Elmer is joined today by James Parrish Smith, our Director of Music and Arts here at First Pres. And just a little bit about James. James was born in New Orleans and traces his roots to Sierra Leone and Spain. At First Pres, James is committed to building a music ministry that reflects both artistic excellence and deep inclusion. He believes music is not just performance, but something that gathers people, honors diverse stories, and creates space for shared expression across cultures and traditions. Together, they present Araw Gabi, translated to English as day-night. Elmer will sing in Tagalog, the national language of the Philippines. And here's a glimpse of the chorus in English. Day and night, you're on my mind. I dream of you wherever I go. Day and night, I'm filled with joy when I am with you, just the two of us. Let's welcome Elmer and James.
Ang sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo. Para akong isang sirang ulong, hilo at lito. Sa aking pagminhanang piano, titlado'y pilit nilaro. Makasakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umusbong. Tungkol saan naman kayang awitin para sa'yo? Di biro ang gawing sukat, ang titik sa tono. Sampu man aking diksyonaryo, kung man tugmay di wasto. Basta't isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw, gabi, nasa isip ko, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw, gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw, gabi, tayong dalawa. Biruin mo na sabi ko ang nais kong ipatid. Dapat mo lamang mabatid laman nitong dibdib. Tila 10,000 awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at dinggin. isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta, araw, gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi, 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 nasa isip ka, papanabaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa.